In our present classes, we are discussing about the binomial theorem. It is one of the most important topic included in algebra, and there are more doubts students used to ask me. Now, the important thing is how to find the middle term in the binomial. We shall find if a plus b the whole raised to 7 is the binomial. We know there are two terms or one term in the middle. How to find it? How many terms in the middle? If the power is 7, we know that its explanation or its expansion as there are 8 terms, and so if there are 8 terms, what would be the middle term? Very well, we can find that it is the 7 minus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 and 7 plus 1 by 2 plus 1. Then what would be the terms? 7 minus 1, we know that which is 6 by 2 plus 1, and here 7 plus 1, which is 8 by 2 plus 1, and here 6 by 2 is equal to 3 plus 1, and here 8 by 2 is equal to 4 plus 1. Then the middle terms are 4 and 5. So if the power is an odd number, we can say the middle term, there are 2 terms, and which can be found that in general we can say if a plus b the whole raised to n is the binomial, the middle term is n minus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 and n minus 1 by 2 plus 1, or this may be put in the front also. Then if we want to write the middle term of this, the middle terms are a plus 7, the whole raised to 7 has 2 middle terms. They are the 4th term, that is a 7c3 a raised to 4 b raised to 3, and this one is 5, and so 7c4 a raised to 3 b raised to 4. These are the 2 middle terms that we find. Then we come across if the power is odd, we can find this as the result as n minus 1 by 2 plus 1 and n minus 1 plus by 2 plus 1. Then we shall find the other, that if the power is 8, what would be the middle term? We know that there are, if the power is 8, the number of terms are 9. There would be 9 terms in the middle term. So we shall find that there are 9 terms. What would be the middle term is that 8 by 2 plus 1, which is 4 plus 1 and the 5. So the middle term of a plus b the whole raised to 8 is the 5th term, and so the 5th term of a plus b the whole raised to 8, the 5th term is that 8c 7 a raised to 8, so a raised to term is 8c4 a raised to 4 b raised to 4. And 8c0 we know that this 8 factorial divided by 4 factorial into 8 minus 4, which is 4 factorial, into a raised to 4, b raised to 4, and 8 factorial may be written as 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 factorial divided by 4 factorial into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So this 4 factorial and 4 factorial can be cancelled. 2 and 3, the product is 6 and 6 may be get cancelled. This 4 and 8 may be get cancelled, and 2 into 5 is equal to 10. 10 into 7 is equal to 70. 70. Then powers are a raised to 4, b raised to 4, and the middle term of a plus b the whole raised to 4, 8 is 70 a raised to 4, b raised to 4. If we continue this for n, we can write this as a plus b the whole raised to n. If n is even, the middle term is n plus n by 2 plus 1 term. So, if any binomial is given, we can very easily write down the middle term of its expansion very easily by that. That is simply, if the power is odd, there are two middle terms which are the power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 and the power plus 1 by 2 plus 1. If the power is even, there is only one middle term, which is the power divided by 2 plus 1. In this way, we can find the middle term of the binomial at any extent. Thank you.